See, chapter number 4, motion in a plane. Okay, motion in a plane. Now see, in chapter number 3, we studied about motion in a straight line. So now, in this particular chapter, we have to carry out the detailed study related to motion. So we consider motion in a plane. Motion in a plane means what? Motion in a plane means motion in two dimensions. In chapter number 3, we studied motion in a straight line. So that motion in a straight line, that is motion on any axis. Here we consider the frame of reference, that is Cartesian coordinate system, or we can say that is rectangular coordinate system. So in that, if particle or the object is moving only on any axis, either on x-axis it is moving, or on y-axis it is moving, or on z-axis only it is moving, then we can say that is the motion in a straight line. But it is not necessary always the motions are in the straight line. So now we have to discuss something more related to motion. Now, motion in a plane, that is motion in a two dimensions. If you want to explain motion in a straight line, then you require only one coordinate. If particle or the body is moving only on x-axis, then you require only x coordinate to explain the motion. Means only one coordinate is required. But if you want to explain the motion in a plane in two dimensions, then you require two coordinates. If it is in xy plane, then x and y, two coordinate will specify its position. And if we are able to find the position of the particle at different instant, then and then only we can explain the motion. But before discussing the motion in two dimensions, we have to study about something more related to the physical quantities. Now, here the physical quantities are classified in two categories: scalar physical quantities and vector physical quantities. Now, why these physical quantities are divided in two categories, scalar physical quantities or vector physical quantities, or we can say why we have to develop such concept of scalar quantities or vector quantities, because that is our requirement to explain the motion. Okay, now see, I'm asking you one simple question. Okay, suppose any particle is at point P at some time t equal to 0, we say. And now suppose this particle is moving with velocity 5 centimeter per second. Then if I ask you simple question like this, locate the position of the particle after 2 seconds. Then how you will locate it? Suppose we are in the classroom and I ask you, come on the stage and specify the position of the particle on the board. Then what you will do? Say beta. Give me answer. Not able to give the answer? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Very simple thing. See, now your answer, that is this one, the particle that will be at position Q after 2 seconds. P to Q, that is 10 centimeter distance, which is covered by the particle in 2 seconds. So now simply you will say this thing, yes, particle is at position Q, but answer is wrong one. Why? દેખીતી રીતે તો બધું સાચું છે. How we can say wrong one? Then, now very simple thing, we considered this thing, particle is at Q means we considered this direction. In the question, direction is not mentioned. It implies that you can't locate the position. હું તમને એવું જ કહું કે ભાઈ તે આવીને બોર્ડ ઉપર અહીંયા બતાવ્યું તો પછી 10 સેન્ટીમીટરની સ્કેલ લઈને તે આ બાજુ કેમ ના બતાવ્યો પાર્ટિકલ? તે 10 સેન્ટીમીટર લઈ અને આ બાજુ કેમ ના બતાવ્યો પાર્ટિકલ? તે 10 સેન્ટીમીટર લઈને આ બાજુ કેમ ના બતાવ્યો પાર્ટિકલ? તો આનો તમારી પાસે કોઈ આન્સર નહીં હોય, કારણ કે એનું કોઈ મેન્શન જ નથી કરેલું આપણે ક્વેશ્ચનમાં. તો હવે આ ક્વેશ્ચનનો આન્સર એવો થાય કે now if we imagine a sphere having radius equal to 10 centimeter by taking P, the original position of the particle, as center, then after 2 seconds particle will be anywhere at the surface of the sphere. Anywhere at the surface of the sphere. In short, you will not be able to locate the position of this particle because something is missing in the information. Here, no doubt it is given to you the particle is moving with 5 centimeter per second, means the value, the magnitude of the velocity is given to you, but in which direction it is moving, not mentioned. And without specifying the direction of the motion, you can't locate the position of the particle in this particular case. So this is our requirement. We have to represent the physical quantity with direction. So now see the next thing.